Hi, myself Dr. G. Tharanitharan. In this video series, we're going to see about what is design of machine elements. Already, it's a very important core subject for mechanical engineering students. Almost 12 times I handled this subject. What is in this video series, I am going to deeply explain about what is a machine element, what is the role of machine elements. Generally, what is a design means customer idea to real product. The intermediate process is generally a structured way to complete the customer idea to real product is basically called as a design. We have three classifications of designs available. One is adaptive, innovative and parametric design. What is generally adaptive design means by modifying the existing things in new order based upon the technological upgradation is called as adaptive design. For example, from old ambassador car to new model Benz is the best example of adaptive design. Next one is innovative design is nothing but what is generally a innovative design means. For example, if you take flying car, it's an example. This is not in the market, this is not a new technology, this is something new, something is different. This is a new innovation, this is generally a innovative technology. What is generally a parametric design means? Generally the design of machine element is the parametric design. For example, for given load, for selected material, for given situation, we are going to define the parameters. That is generally a parametric design. Generally the machine, this is the three classifications of design. But in design of machine element, we purely deal about the machine elements. What is generally machine elements means? The sum of the components is applicable to all the machineries. This is, for example, if you take a fan, we have definitely some few components definitely in the system. That component is colloquially, generally we call it as a machine element. For example, what are the basic 5 machine elements? You can call it as starting from shaft, keys, bearings, springs, different types of bolts and nuts and joints. These are all the basically the machine elements. Here what we are going to see in our subject is the preferred catalog for the subject is PhD design data book. With the help of PhD design data book, how we are going to do the parametric design. Almost all basic fundamental formulas, basic structured design, everything is in our PhD design data book. The students first identify the problem, first understand the problem, based upon the situation, based upon the criteria, we want to select the parameter. This is basically machine elements. Here we have two different types of loading system available. One is static loading system, another one is a variable loading system. Static loading system is nothing but the load in which the magnitude and direction of the load will remains constant. Basically a static design. What is generally a variable design means the load in which the magnitude and direction will not change with respect to time is basically a variable design. In this subject, we are going to elaborately we are going to see about the parametric design of static loading application and parametric design of variable loading application. At the same time, how we are going to use the PhD design data book. Overall catalog for our mechanical engineering design is our PhD design data book. We have a structured way to do the problem. So we are using the structured way to get the formulas and everything. So this is very important for all mechanical engineers to, if you want to develop the product. This is about the few basics about the design of machine elements. At the same time, the continuation of design of machine elements, we are directly deal with the design of transmission system. Generally, almost everything is like a design of machine element. Same thing as like a design of machine element. We are using a preferred catalog like PhD design data book. With the help of catalog, we are defining the parameters. But here the difference is we are, instead of design of machine elements, we are defining the parameters for transmission element. Generally, what is a transmission element? In between prime mover and machine, we have a number of transmission accessories is available. On the transmission accessory, we are going to define the parameters that is commonly called as a transmission elements, transmission system. This is the few glimpse about the design of machine elements and the design of transmission system. Almost we have a defined software also available for design of machine element, design of transmission system. Why we are purely go for manual design means, so then only the students get know about the few basics about the design of machine elements and design of transmission element. Thank you.